Hey y'all, it's Naturally Engineered and welcome back to my channel. I have been wearing these mini twists for about 4 weeks now, so I want to show you guys how I keep them moisturized as well as how I create some soft, loose curls. After 4 weeks of wear, my hair is in desperate need of some TLC. I'm really not worried about how they look now because once I work my magic, they will seem brand new. To moisturize my hair, I will be using Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In by Aunt Jackie's, grapeseed oil, and a mixture of water and conditioner. I prefer to work in sections, so I'm going to separate the front of my hair from the back. To create those soft wavy curls, I will be doing a twist out on my mini twist. Working with about 10 twists at a time, I will first lightly spritz my hair with water, then work it through to make sure each twist is hydrated. I will then follow that up with some leave-in conditioner, working it in thoroughly from root to tip, making sure again that my hair is fully moisturized, and then I will seal in that moisture with some grapeseed oil. And once done with that section, I simply create a 2-strand twist. And once I'm done with the 2-strand twist, I will twirl my hair a little bit to tighten up that twist and then use a bobby pin to hold my roots down. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through that one more time. I'm going to spritz my hair with water, work it through to make sure your strands are hydrated. Follow that up with your leave-in conditioner from root to tip to make sure it is moisturized well, and then seal in that moisture with your oil. And once that's done, you go ahead and create your 2-strand twist and then use a bobby pin to hold down your roots. This is what my hair looks like once I'm done 2-strand twisting my mini twist. I probably have between 10 and 12 twists. I wanted to keep them medium size since I'm going for a more wavy than curly look. The smaller your 2-strand twist, the curlier your hair will be, so please keep that in mind whenever installing your 2-strand twist. To ensure I get the full length of my mini twist, I'm going to stretch my hair by pulling each 2-strand twist to the opposite side of my head and securing it with a bobby pin. Now notice me twirling each 2-strand twist prior to securing it with a bobby pin. I do this because it helps to tighten the twist, creating more curl definition and better twist out results. Now I'm going to take my CBD EdgeGro and apply it to my hairline for a cleaner look. Then I'll use some alcohol-free mousse on my cornrows to get rid of frizz. And finally, I'll tie my hair down with a few satin scarves and allow it to set overnight. It's the next morning and I'm going to start out by first removing all of the bobby pins from my hair. And because I did not drench my hair with water and product last night, my hair is fully dried this morning and it's set very nicely. Starting at the back, I'm going to begin unraveling the 2-strand twist. Now I'm going to unravel and then separate the curls just as I would on a regular twist out. As you can see, the curls are very nicely defined and gave me that wavy look that I was going for. Before moving on to the next section, I like to drench the ends of my hair with my water and conditioner mixture. Not only does it protect my ends by keeping them hydrated, but it also adds weight to my hair, allowing my mini twist to fall better, and it even helps to revert any straight ends caused by the bobby pins. I'm going to go ahead and finish unraveling the rest of the twist, and I'll be back shortly to show you all the finished look. Here's the final look, y'all. I absolutely love how it came out. The twist out is a good way to add volume and curls to your mini twist, and it helps to hide frizziness and other imperfections associated with extended wear. This simple method really helped to rejuvenate and freshen my month-old mini twist. I would recommend retwisting and moisturizing about twice a week to keep the curls intact. Remember, as with any style, proper maintenance is key to longevity. Now, I will put my product list in the description box, and you all please feel free to leave any comments and questions down below. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.